We're now looking at this 3-story villa. We're walking distance to the 7-Eleven, so that's always good. And we're 2 to 3 miles from the gym we go to. And the mall is 2.5 to 3 miles, I think maybe 4 miles away, if that. It's a very good location. But in the mountains, beautiful. 3-story, 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, almost 2,600 square feet. It's pretty big. This location is nice. Oh man, that's nice. This location. Ooh, okay. Zoom out. The washer right here. Toilet sink. The cabinet space.
Empty. I guess mostly.
I like to do it.
I like to move it.
Some juice.
For the standard.
Egg.
Just enough.
Go.
That's the half bath. A nice half bath. Smells nice in there. Nice and spacious.
Good space.
Good space. Stairs. Living room. It's cute.
Oh,
Nice space. You can open up these curtains. I like the feel of this. There she go. Oh, that's the pool right here.
Yes. And for the roof. The guy will come back again tomorrow.
There it goes. Well, this is the best location, of course.
I think your wife will better.
Oh, wow, look at this. Look it up there, man. Wow, this thing is big.
I think I sense that your voice feel better. You're not serious like in the morning.
I don't care. This thing is tall.
Not stressed.
They're high.
You feel better?
Wow. Oh.
And outside.
Yeah, me too. Okay, so the top.
It's a nice storage spot. Nice storage spot. Nice little pool spot. I like the cozy kind of feeling. You got a balcony up there you gotta check out. That's nice. Okay. It's nice and breezy.
Yes, there's a lot of trees.
Like the trees. Yeah. So on the second flight,